In the heart of the Arabian Gulf, a vision of unprecedented ambition took shape. Dubai, a city constantly reinventing itself, dared to dream of expanding its coastline not by a few kilometers, but by creating an entirely new landmass. The goal was nothing less than the world's largest artificial island, a palm-shaped archipelago visible from space. This monumental undertaking, known as the Palm Jumeirah, would become a $12 billion engineering marvel, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible in construction and marine engineering. Its very existence is a testament to human ingenuity and relentless determination. Dubai's rapid growth in the early 2000s fueled a desire to diversify its economy beyond oil, focusing heavily on tourism and luxury real estate. With a limited natural coastline, the solution was audacious: to create new land. The Palm Jumeirah was designed not just as a residential and tourist hub but as an iconic symbol that would put Dubai firmly on the global map. This wasn't merely about building, it was about branding, about creating a landmark that would forever alter the city's identity and appeal to the world's elite. The stakes were incredibly high, both financially and reputationally. Building a massive landmass on the seabed of the Arabian Gulf presented unparalleled engineering challenges. The project demanded the creation of a stable foundation, resistant to erosion and powerful sea currents, while ensuring ecological balance. The sheer scale involved moving billions of tons of rock and sand with pinpoint accuracy, all while navigating the complexities of marine environments. This wasn't just construction, it was an act of geoengineering on a scale previously unimagined for a civilian project. Engineers had to devise entirely new methods and adapt existing technologies to meet this monumental task. The choice of a palm tree shape was not merely aesthetic, it was a stroke of genius designed to maximize beachfront property. The trunk, fronds, and crescent breakwater were meticulously planned to create an astonishing 78 kilometers of new coastline, significantly boosting Dubai's previous 72-kilometer natural shoreline. This intricate design, encompassing 5 square kilometers of land, provided thousands of luxury villas and apartments with direct sea access. Such a complex geometry demanded extraordinary precision from the very first stages of its construction, setting the tone for the entire project's difficulty. Before a single grain of sand was moved, extensive surveying and mapping were critical. Highly specialized GPS technology was deployed to mark out the exact location and intricate shape of the palm tree structure on the seabed. Precision was paramount, even a slight deviation could have cascading effects on the overall design and structural integrity. Survey boats equipped with multi-beam echo sounders meticulously scanned the Gulf floor, gathering data to create a detailed three-dimensional map. This digital blueprint served as the absolute guide for every subsequent construction phase, ensuring accurate placement. The heart of land reclamation for the Palm Jumeirah lay in advanced dredging technology. Giant cutter suction dredgers, among the largest in the world, extracted sand from designated offshore borrow pits in the Arabian Gulf. This sand was then transported and rainbowed into position. The rainbowing technique involved specially equipped dredgers spraying sand high into the air, creating a distinctive arc before it settled precisely onto the underwater marked areas. This method allowed for efficient and controlled placement of massive volumes of sand, slowly building up the islands formed from the seabed. The sheer volume of material required for Palm Jumeirah is staggering. Approximately 94 million cubic meters of sand were dredged from the seabed, enough to fill 37 of Egypt's Great Pyramids. This was complemented by 7 million tons of rock, sourced from quarries across the UAE, used to create the vital breakwater and the core foundations of the islands. The meticulous selection of these materials, ensuring their structural integrity and environmental compatibility, was crucial. This colossal material movement transformed the seabed into solid land, forming the very skeleton of the artificial archipelago. The initial layer of construction involved placing immense quantities of rock onto the carefully surveyed seabed. This rock layer formed the crucial foundation for the entire island structure, providing stability and strength against the forces of the sea. Barges equipped with precise GPS systems meticulously dropped rocks, layer by layer, following the intricate design. Divers were employed to inspect the underwater placement, ensuring each rock settled correctly. This slow and arduous process established the solid base upon which the entire Palm Jumeirah would ultimately rest, protecting it from subsidence and erosion. Once the rock foundations were in place, the process of building up the landmass began in earnest. Dredged sand was carefully deposited on top of the rock base, gradually raising the seabed to above sea level. This wasn't a simple dumping process. Engineers employed sophisticated techniques to compact the sand, ensuring its stability and preventing liquefaction. Each layer was precisely placed, shaped, and monitored using advanced geospatial equipment. This iterative process of dredging, depositing, and compacting formed the trunk, fronds, and crescent breakwater, meticulously adhering to the original digital blueprint. A critical component of the Palm Jumeirah's design is the 11-kilometer crescent-shaped breakwater that encircles the palm. This massive wall of rock serves as the first line of defense against the powerful Gulf waves and tidal surges, protecting the residential areas. Unlike the palm itself, which is built primarily of sand, the breakwater is made almost entirely of rock. It also houses exclusive resorts, adding another layer of luxury to its protective function. Its construction involved the precise placement of millions of tons of rock, designed to absorb wave energy and maintain the calm waters within the fronds. The construction of the Palm Jumeirah became an extraordinary demonstration of precision engineering, heavily reliant on advanced GPS technology. Without the use of a traditional fixed reference point, coordinates were tracked by an array of 17 GPS satellites. This allowed dredgers to pinpoint their exact location and deposit sand with an accuracy of 1 centimeter. Such precision was vital to ensure the intricate palm frond shapes were formed correctly and that the islands were perfectly aligned. This innovative application of satellite technology was key to transforming a digital blueprint into a tangible landmass. Such a massive undertaking in a marine environment naturally raised significant environmental concerns. Critics feared the dredging and construction could severely damage local coral reefs, disrupt marine ecosystems, and alter water circulation patterns, potentially leading to stagnation in the fronds. The impact on fish populations, sea turtles, and other wildlife was a major point of contention. Addressing these concerns became an integral part of the project, forcing engineers to integrate environmental mitigation strategies from the outset, highlighting the complex balance between development and ecological preservation. To counter the environmental impact, engineers implemented several key strategies. New artificial coral reefs were created using submerged rocks from the construction, providing new habitats for marine life. A gap was strategically incorporated into the crescent breakwater, allowing for improved water circulation and preventing stagnation within the fronds. Marine biologists were consulted throughout the process to monitor water quality and biodiversity. These proactive measures aimed to restore and even enhance marine ecosystems, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability alongside monumental construction, albeit with ongoing debate. With the landforms taking shape, the focus shifted from marine engineering to traditional construction. Extensive infrastructure, including roads, bridges, utilities, and telecommunication networks, had to be laid across the newly formed islands. This phase required massive logistical coordination to connect each frond to the mainland and provide essential services to the future residents and tourists. Developing this complex network on a blank slate offered unique opportunities for integrated planning, but also presented its own set of challenges, from material transport to precise utility installation across the vast archipelago. Behind the technological marvels were thousands of workers from around the globe, forming a diverse and dedicated workforce. Engineers, divers, construction workers, and laborers toiled relentlessly under challenging desert and marine conditions. This multinational team faced extreme temperatures, long hours, and the constant pressure of maintaining precision on an unprecedented scale. Their collective effort, skill, and perseverance were indispensable to the project's success, highlighting the human ingenuity and sheer manpower required to bring such a grand vision to life. The Palm Jumeirah is as much a testament to human endeavor as it is to engineering innovation. The Palm Jumeirah was initiated in 2001, with initial land reclamation completed by 2006. However, the entire project, including all infrastructure, residential, and commercial developments, took 12 years to fully complete, opening in phases until around 2013. This extended timeline was due to the sheer complexity, the continuous refinement of design, environmental considerations, and the immense scale of infrastructure required. Unlike a conventional building, creating an entire island from scratch, then populating it with a functioning city, required extraordinary patience and sustained investment over more than a decade. The initial cost estimates for the Palm Jumeirah project were substantial, but as with any undertaking of this magnitude, the final figures grew significantly. The overall cost of engineering and constructing this artificial island archipelago, including land reclamation and basic infrastructure, is widely reported to be around $12 billion. This figure represents the immense investment in technology, materials, labor, and years of dedicated effort. It underscores the financial commitment required to transform an audacious dream into a tangible reality, setting a new benchmark for megaprojects worldwide. Today, the Palm Jumeirah stands as a fully realized marvel. Its distinctive palm shape, covered with luxury residences, hotels, and vibrant leisure facilities, is instantly recognizable from above. The iconic Atlantis, the Palm Resort crowns its crescent, drawing millions of tourists annually. The island has not only added vast amounts of prime real estate but has also created a unique living and holiday destination, fulfilling Dubai's initial ambition to become a global tourism and lifestyle hub. It truly redefined the concept of waterfront living, showcasing a blend of natural beauty and man-made precision. Life on the Palm Jumeirah offers an unparalleled experience of luxury and exclusivity. Residents enjoy private beaches, stunning ocean views, and access to world-class amenities right at their doorstep. The meticulously planned layout ensures privacy while fostering a vibrant community. From gourmet restaurants to high-end shopping and entertainment, the island caters to every desire. This unique environment, built literally from the ground up, showcases how ambitious engineering can create not just new land, but entirely new ways of living, blending urban sophistication with a serene waterfront lifestyle. The Palm Jumeirah's completion marks a pivotal moment in engineering history. It demonstrated the feasibility of creating vast artificial landmasses on a scale previously thought impossible, inspiring similar projects worldwide. While its environmental impacts remain a subject of discussion, the project pushed the boundaries of marine construction, GPS precision, and sustainable development within an extreme context. The Palm Jumeirah stands as a monumental symbol of Dubai's audacity and technological prowess, a man-made wonder that continues to redefine urban geography and global aspirations for architectural innovation and economic diversification.